Discover the fascinating journey of how clams are processed, from their harvest in the wild to their arrival on your plate. This intricate process, set in a large factory setting, combines technology with time-honored practices to deliver fresh, high-quality clams. So, how do they do it? In Vietnam, clam harvesting typically occurs in coastal intertidal zones where clams are abundant in sandy or muddy seabeds. Harvesting is often done manually by local workers using hand rakes and nets during low tide, allowing for careful selection of mature clams. After collection, clams are quickly rinsed to remove sand and debris, then sorted by size. The clams are promptly transported to processing facilities to ensure their freshness and quality for both domestic and international markets. Upon arrival at the processing facility, clams are promptly moved to the handling and cleaning stage. They are placed in large tanks filled with clean seawater, where they undergo depuration, a process that allows them to purge sand, grit, and impurities. The clams remain in these tanks for several hours with continuous water filtration, ensuring they are thoroughly cleaned and prepared for sorting and grading. This step enhances their quality and ensures a better eating experience. After cleaning, the clams proceed to the sorting and grading phase. Workers manually remove dead and broken clams while sorting the brown ones. White and brown clams are then transferred separately to rotating cages to clean their shells. Once cleaned, the clams pass through a sizing machine where workers conduct another round of inspections, removing any remaining dead or broken clams. By the end, the clams are properly sorted and graded, ready for further processing and packaging. The clams are weighed and grouped by weight class, then placed into bags for vacuuming. After vacuuming, workers ensure the bags remain properly sealed without deflating. The bags are evenly placed into the vacuum machine, where they undergo cooking for about 15 minutes. Once cooked, the bags are moved onto a conveyor belt for cooling, which lasts between 5 and 10 minutes. After cooling, the clams are sent to the freezer, where they are frozen at a temperature of -18 degrees Celsius to ensure they are preserved properly before further processing or packaging. After cooling, and freezing, the clams are boxed, strapped, and passed through a metal detector. They are then stored in a warehouse at -18 degrees Celsius for preservation. When ready for export, the clams are loaded into containers and shipped to customers worldwide, ensuring they remain fresh throughout their journey. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from ocean-fresh clams to the savory seafood we all love. Curious about how tilapia goes from pond to plate? Join us in our next video to discover the meticulous process behind another seafood favorite.